Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So today's tutorial is based on writing module of IELTS examination. When we talk about this module, it is considered as one of the most difficult and toughest one among all the other modules of IELTS, because it is really difficult to score 7 or 7.5 in this module. And the problem basically is that we have never followed the professional or the formal writing, as in school and colleges the writing pattern is completely different as comparative to this module in IELTS examination. So let's begin with today's class. The writing module consists of basically task 1 and task 2, and both these tasks are supposed to be completed in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. The weightage of writing module is 9 bands. So when we talk about the first task, that is writing task 1, it is different for academic and GT student. For academic student, it is a report writing. The question can be a graph which is further divided into bar graph, line graph and pie chart. It can be a process or a diagram. It can also be a life cycle and map. So depending upon the question, whatever data is given, it is written into a report by the student. That is what is task 1 for academic. And for GT, when we talk about GT students, it is basically a letter writing. Letter writing consists of 3 types of letter, that is formal, semi-formal and informal. And semi-formal letter is further divided into 2 types, that is unknown and known. When we talk about writing task 1, the weightage out of 9 bands is 3 bands, and the time that we are supposed to devote to this task is only 20 minutes. So within 20 minutes we are supposed to finish our letter or report, whatever it is, and the word limit for this task is 150 to 180 words. Coming on to writing task 2, the weightage and time is almost double when we compare it with writing task 1, as the weightage of writing task 2 is 6 bands and the time is 40 minutes. And the word limit in this case is 250 to 280 words. For both the students, that is academic and GT, writing task 2 is same. It is basically essay writing, and there are various types of essays and various types of essays that we will discuss in some other video. But for today, the most important thing is to know about writing task 1 and writing task 2. One more thing I would like to inform you is that when we are counting the words of whether it is of writing task 1 or 2, so if the words are repeated like verbs, adjectives or adverbs, then they are not counted. So make sure that you use synonyms or different words, because then only they will be counted, and it is mandatory to complete the word limit, because if it is not completed, the band scores are definitely affected. I hope you have got a little bit knowledge of writing module and what all it consists. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much.